Hi everyone, welcome back to FlyOn. It is time for my October project pan update and we've got a really exciting one, so let's get started. So for those of you who don't know, Project Pan is a fun little challenge that makeup lovers like to do, where we're either using a product up entirely or we are trying to, for powders and creams that are pressed tightly down into a metal pan, we're trying to use the product up until we can see the pan underneath and sometimes completely use up the product and see the whole pan. It's a fun little challenge. It goes wrong sometimes, but it's still satisfying when you can finally get to that pan underneath. We've been working on 3 products since January. One of them came in February, I think, but I'm going to start with my eyeshadow that I'm doing. It's by LA Colors. It's called After Dark. The line is called Day to Night. This is it's 2 days before October 1st, but I don't think there's going to be any change. So we have all of October, all of November, and all of December to continue to work on this, and my goal is to hit pan in all 12 eyeshadows in this palette. It's been frustrating with the brighter colors. I think I found a way, or I should say rediscovered a way, to use these bright colors regularly, and you can see the results this month. Let me go ahead and put up a picture of what it looked like last month. Here's this month's progress. This is the most progress I've had in this palette this year. We hit 3 pans. One of them, I just hit it today. I don't know if you can tell or not, but I actually have some purple in the liner underneath of my eye. I used to do this a lot with black, just kind of like, instead of waterline, because I didn't really know how to tightline yet, I would just kind of, push a powdered line like underneath as eyeliner. I usually do eyeliner underneath more than on top. It's just the way my eyes work. I don't know. This was my next goal, this little gold here. I was using it as a base and then putting a shinier gold on top. So I do have a little pan in there, and once I hit any pan, I just decided to continue. But this teal has a pan. This blue one is bigger, and just today I hit this purple. I hit just a little tiny bit of it, and this tends to do this in all of the shadows so far. Once you get a little hole, it like starts to kind of crumble. So I mean, I could technically like repress it down if I really was a stickler about like not cheating, I guess. But if it's gonna fall apart, fine. I mean, technically I still did hit pan. So this teal is very pigmented, and so I was kind of pushing it into my under eye or even to the inner corner as like a pop of color, I kind of forgot that I did that because it wasn't what most people do. It's not in most tutorials. So I was like, well, I don't know, I stopped. I felt like I needed to stop, but do what you want, who cares? So yeah, I mean, this blue was already hit. So this month's pan is the gold one, this teal one, and then just today I hit the purple. I was having a really bad makeup day today. I think I like it better now, but I had to redo it and touch it up. So it's a little bigger because the teal I hit and then immediately went for the other pans to try and get them down. The purple was pretty worn down because I've used this throughout the year, I think. So I have these 2 blues left. They don't really have a dent. This one is a little bit of a dip, but I'm gonna have to work hard, aggressively, like use the liner method and kind of work in one area. I want to continue doing this the rest of the year. If I hit pan like next month, I don't think it's gonna happen. I'll see, because I already know what I want to do for next year's project pan, and I could just start it early, I guess, or I could just skip it for a month. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I haven't been real motivated to use these, but now that I have yet another way to do it, I mean, there's also the nail polish trick, but I've been feeling a little guilty about that. I've kind of used it a lot for this, but we'll see. We'll see. It lasts on your nails and it looks really cool. So I like the colors. They're obviously very similar, if I haven't said so already, but I'll find a way. I will find a way. I weighed it, no change in weight. Hey everybody, different day. It's actually a few days later. I recorded my project pan video and have tried to edit it like throughout the day for several days. Something is wrong with the video because it keeps lagging and then I don't know where to make cuts and edits. And there's like long pauses and gaps and stuff, so I can't just like let it run either. I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna pick up here. It seems that my eyeshadow is at least acceptable enough to put out there. So let's pick up with the blush. My first blush is a duo by e.l.f. called Guava. It's a bite-sized duo. It's got a highlighter as well. I'm gonna put up the picture from last time. And I think the pans are bigger. They should be bigger. I'm not looking at the picture right now, but I think especially the blush should be a lot bigger. I have used it a little bit in the last few days since I filmed that last video, but it's not going to be much different. It's October 5th today, so actually it's been about a week since I filmed it before, but this is what it looks like now. It's making progress. There's no weight difference. I'm still weighing them for some reason. I continue to like it. I think I'm going to get it to a point where I'm going to be comfortable tossing it at the end of the year, which I should do anyway, and I'm probably going to have to do to make room for others. Yeah. Anyway, moving on to the cream blush this year we're doing by Basic Beauty. It's called October 3rd, and while the meme is up here, I don't know if I even remembered to talk about the meme in the last recording, so here it is. So it's called October 3rd. That's why I put that up there. Did I even say that? So I'm going to put the picture of the blush last month up now, and this is it today. I've spread this down and over the pan twice. So what's left on the edges there is pretty thin by itself. I could probably squish it one more time. This is definitely going to get thrown away at the end of the year. I think I've used this to its full capacity. It's really pretty, and the formula is nice for a cream blush. It's a little more expensive. This was a gift from my friend Jackie. I think it's $18, but I do think they're still made. No idea about the color range or anything like that, but success in the project. Just like all the others, no change in weight with this one. I think these two are going to be a bit lackluster for the rest of the year. I mean, maybe we'll reach like total complete pan. What am I thinking of? Extreme pan. I'm so weird. The eyeshadow was definitely the most exciting this month. 3 new pans hit, only 2 to go. I'm excited to have this over with. Oh, I should have put a pop of blue today. I was going very neutral today because I was outside and it's like, I didn't want to sweat off glitter and stuff. So thanks for tuning into this video. We are only going to have 3 more updates on these products and then I get to start my new one. I'm excited, but I may regret my decisions. So we're going to have a November update, a beginning of December update, and then an end of December update, which will be the final update on these 3 products. So go ahead and subscribe if you'd like to see more Project Pan videos as they come out, or just artistic videos in general. We're doing mostly makeup now, but we are art and animals at FlyOn. We did some dance stuff the other day that I don't know if it's going to be posted because it was to a Coldplay song and I think it's gonna get permanently taken down, but anyway, hope to see you in another video. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye. Hi everyone, I wanted to go ahead and update you on my eyebrows are uneven, but if I tilt my head, nobody notices. I've been doing a project pan since January, obviously, and I feel like I'm missing something, but I think I keep using it regularly. My brain is not working. Let me go up go up. Let me go ahead and put up a picture of what the not gonna be filming anymore tonight. Is that really all I have to say about that? Extreme pen.